Hello friends, this video on light, reflection and diffraction part 17 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Please make sure that you have watched all the videos till part 16 before going ahead with part 17. Now let us quickly look at the sign convention for lens. This will also be little similar to the sign convention for mirrors. First of all, the focal length of a concave lens is negative, whereas the focal length of a convex lens is positive. So please remember these points. Whenever we are talking about focal length, we are generally taking into consideration the second principle, focus. So focal length of a concave lens, when you remember your concave mirror, the focal length for a concave mirror was also negative. So the focal length for concave lens is negative and for convex lens it is positive. Object distance on the left of the optical center. So in this case, optical center serves as the pole. So the optical center acts as the origin. So anything on the left side of optical center is negative. Anything on the right side is positive. Similarly, when we talk about image distance, that also on the left side is negative and on the right side is positive. The object or image height, which is denoted by h or h dash, above the principal axis is positive and below the principal axis is negative. Right? So these are some of the common sign conventions which were true even for spherical mirrors. Now with this in mind, let us try to look at the lens formula. The way we had the mirror equation which was used to relate the object distance with image distance and focal length. Similarly, we have something called lens formula which relates the image distance with object distance and focal length of spherical lenses. So what is the lens formula? It is very similar to the mirror equation except with a negative sign. It is 1 by v minus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, where v is the image distance, u is the object distance and f is the focal length. So this lens formula is true for both concave lenses and convex lenses, but you need to take into consideration the sign convention when you try to solve problems using this lens formula. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thank you once again.